Hello students, I am Shikhar ma'am from Vision Carmel Academy. Welcome to my maths class. Today I am here to help you to explain some terms of lesson probability. As we all know, today presently we are facing problem of COVID-19. But due to COVID-19 we can't stop our education. That's why I am here online with you to explain the terms of probability. As we know, any subject if we will take practically by performing the experiment, it will be easier for us to understand the concept. That's why here for probability also we will take some experiment, and through that experiment we try to understand the concept of the lesson. Now we will continue with the coins. First of all, we will take experiment related to coin. If we take any one of the coin, as we have the idea that coin have two faces, head and tail, and here if we toss only single coin, we will get two possibilities. That means after performing the experiment of coin, we will get result of that is two outcomes, either head or tail. Same way, if we toss two coin at a time, then we will get possibilities that we can get two head at a time, or one head another tail, or both the tails, or one tail another head. Like that we will get four possibilities if we toss two coins. If we toss three coin at a time, it is possible that we will get three head, or two head one tail, or head tail head, or tail tail head, or tail tail tail, or head head tail. Like that we will get 8 outcomes, total 8 outcomes. We can represent those outcomes as a sample space, and in curly bracket we can represent all the total outcomes. So we will get here total 8 outcomes, like head head head, head head tail, head tail head, tail head head, tail tail head, tail head tail, head tail tail, tail tail tail, and total number of outcomes are 8. So we can represent here n of s means number of elements of the sample space as 8. So as we know, if we tossed one coin, we will get two sample space, two outcomes. If we tossed two coin at a time, we will get 4 outcomes. So here we can represent n of s equal to 2 when we toss one coin, and here we will get n of s equal to 4 when we toss 2. So with the help of this explanation, means when 3 coin tossed, when 1 coin tossed, or when 2 coin tossed, we have outcomes here, and with the use of these outcomes we can solve any of the example. And to solve these examples according to our question, we can use a different outcomes here. We can use a different sample space. Now we will take second experiment. Here experiment with dice. As we know, cube has 6 faces. So we have here 6 different faces for this dice also. Here 1, here 2, then here 3, then here 4, here 5, and here 6. So when we throw one dice, we will get total 6 outcomes. When we throw one dice only, we will get 6 outcomes. So here we can write the sample space when we throw one dice, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here total number of elements are 6. So we can represent n of s equal to 6. Same way, if we throw 2 dice at a time, it is possible that on both the dice we will get 1, or on both the dice we will get 2, or on both the dice we will get 3. Like that different outcomes we will get. So total 36 outcomes we will get if we throw 2 dice at a time. So we can represent here, if we throw 2 dice at a time, we will get sample space, that is 1 1 on both the dice, or on first dice 1, on second dice 2, on first dice 1, on second dice 3. Like that we will get pair of the numbers and we will get total 36 outcomes. If you count all the outcomes here, all the result here, you will get total 36 outcomes. So we can represent here total number of outcomes n of s as 36. Students, here this is the explanation about only 2 terms of the probability, that is experiment with coin and experiment with dice. So please like this video, share it and subscribe it. I will again put some videos of probability lesson once again, and definitely all these videos will help you in your studies. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you once again. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this. You can share this video with your friends also. Thank you so much.